Okay, today I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this recipe that is on the Pampered Chef website, and I've never made it before, and I'm kind of skeptical actually, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to make a whole chicken in the crok in the microwave. Now, technically, I could make the same exact food in the same pan and put it in the oven, but if you can put it in the microwave and it still turns out good, why not? So we're going to see. And if it doesn't turn out, I'll just make something else. Alright, so on here there's two different variations. You can make this chicken with rice or you can make it with mashed potatoes. I'm going to do the potatoes because it's just, there's less ingredients and everybody likes potatoes. Alright, so the first thing it says to do is to spray the chicken with oil. So let me do that. This is a Pampered Chef, I think it's called an oil spritzer. And you can just refill it with your own oil in there instead of having to buy all those cans. It's non-aerosol. You just pump it up. I don't know why I'm shaking it. Okay. And then give it a spray. And I'm going to turn it around. Give it a spray. Then I'm assuming you season the chicken. Oh, where is that stuff at? Oh, okay. I just don't take my time. Okay. This isn't the exact seasoning that they use, but it's what I got, and it's a Pampered Chef garlic and herb seasoning, and I think it's going to be really good on here, so I'm using it. And we'll do this side. That looks good. Alright. Now it says breast side down. How do you know? Okay, so it says to place the chicken. Where'd it go? I lost my spot. Place the chicken breast side up. Oh, okay. Into the crok Dutch oven. This is a big chicken, bigger than. It's hard to find little chickens. This is a big chicken, so it's probably going to take a little bit longer. Let me wash my hands. Let me put this cutting board and knife away. It's just nasty.
It's down lower.
Okay. So then it says if you're making the potatoes to arrange the potatoes around the chicken. I cut these up already. This is not really for this. This is actually a microwave, Pampered Chef microwave bowl. And it comes with a lid. It has steaming holes or draining holes, but I kind of just use it for whatever all the time. And they have different sizes, and there's a set. I got a set. There's 3 different sizes. So it's kind of just really convenient to grab this and use it just for whatever. Alright, let me get all my potatoes in there. And then a should put the rosemary in there, but I already got rid of the cutting board. And then I'm going to use, it says 6 cloves, but a couple of these are really big. I'm going to use this garlic slicer from Pampered Chef and just slice the garlic. I was going to peel one for you, but my cutting board got really gross. This is a peeler. You can get this in a set, a peeler and the slicer, or you can get them separately. So I'm just going to put my garlic all in there. And then, see better. Then I'm going to use this, and we're going to do slices all over the potatoes and the chicken, and it's going to be delicious. Six cloves of garlic seems like a lot, but we'll see how it turns out. Plus, when you cook it, it's not as strong, so. Alright. Spread some of it around. Okay. And now we why I keep losing my spot. Microwave covered until the chicken reaches 165, and it says about 25 to 30 minutes, and then let stand for 10. So I'm going to put this in here for 30 minutes to check the temperature, and if I have to microwave it longer, I'll have to microwave it longer. I'll update you, because the recipe does call for a 3.5 to 4 pound chicken, and this is a 5 pound chicken, so I might need longer time, but if this works, this is going to be great. This is dinner. There's vegetables in here and meat. This is it. I hope it works. All right. I'll check in with you in about 30 minutes or so. All right, so we're back, and I let the chicken rest for 10 minutes, and then I took it out, and that's it right there. And I think I should have used more potatoes, but it looks okay. Here's the potatoes. Alright, so I'm going to cut a little bit of this chicken and taste it and see how it turned out. I know I was having a hard time getting it out. Let's see. I need a carving knife. I don't have one of those. Ooh, it's very hot. It does look juicy. I don't know if you can tell or not in there. Okay. It's really good. It is juicy. It's really good. Not only use this seasoning and this. I can't believe that turned out like that in the microwave. Alright, well, there you go. A whole chicken in a rock crock in the microwave. And it took me about, this is a 5 pound chicken. I had to put it in there for about 35 minutes. There we go.